Hi friends, what do I have here? It's mint. So what I have done, I bought mint, I think more than a week back. I cleaned up and I put it in a little bit of water, and left it in the fridge. So I covered it with the plastic and put this in the fridge. And I think changed water for I think twice so far, and you can see they are very fresh. I've noticed if I just pluck it and put it in fridge, they go bad and they turn black, but you can see it's like fresh. I have bought like fresh right now, so maybe try that, and I'm sure it will start rooting. So my next plan is to, once it roots, I'm going to plant them in a pot, so I will have unlimited supply of mint for the rest of the summer. So do give it a try and let me know if you have any question. Bye for now.